Hello everyone, let us discuss about quadratic probing. Introduction. Quadratic probing is a collision resolution technique used in open addressing hashing. When two keys hash to the same index, instead of checking the next slot sequentially as in linear probing, quadratic probing searches for empty positions using a quadratic function of the probe number. This approach significantly reduces the clustering problem that occurs in linear probing and provides a better distribution of keys across the hash table. The probe sequence is defined as h sub I of key equals h of key plus I squared mod m. Here, I represents the probe number starting from 0, 1, 2, and so on. And m represents the size of the hash table. Quadratic probing works. First, the hash function computes the initial index of a key using the formula h of k equals k mod m, where k is the key and m is the size of the hash table. When a collision occurs, the algorithm uses a quadratic probing sequence to find the next position. The probing formula is h prime of k comma I equals h of k plus I squared mod m. Here, I is the probing value starting from 0 and increasing by 1 for each attempt. For collision handling, if the computed index is already occupied, the value of I is increased and the next index is calculated using the quadratic formula. This process is repeated until an empty slot is found and the key is placed in that position. This method reduces clustering and distributes elements more uniformly across the hash table. Operations of quadratic probing, insertion. Let us understand the insertion operation in quadratic probing. First, the hash index of the key is computed using the hash function. If the computed slot is already occupied, the algorithm probes new positions using the quadratic probing formula until an empty slot is found, and then the key is inserted. Now, let us analyze the time complexity. In the best case, when there is no collision and the slot is empty, the insertion takes O of 1 time. In the average case, when collisions occur but the table is not too full, the insertion still takes O of 1 time. This is true when a good hash function is used and the load factor is less than or equal to 0.5. In the worst case, when many collisions occur and the table is almost full, the insertion takes O of n time, where n is the size of the hash table. Deletion in quadratic probing. In quadratic probing, deletion is performed by marking the slot as deleted. This ensures that the probing sequence remains intact for future searches and insertions. Now let us look at the time complexity. In the best case, deletion takes O of 1 time. This happens when the key is found at the very first computed hash index and no collision occurs. So deletion is done immediately. In the average case, deletion also takes O of 1 time. With a properly designed hash function and a reasonable load factor, usually less than 0.7, the expected number of probes remains small, so deletion normally completes in constant time. In the worst case, deletion takes O of n time. When the hash table is almost full and many keys have collided, the algorithm may need to scan many positions using the quadratic probing sequence. In extreme situations, it may check almost every slot before locating the key or concluding that it is absent. Searching in quadratic probing. First, compute the hash index of the key. Check the slot at that position. If the key is not found there, continue probing using the quadratic probing sequence until either the key is found or an empty slot is reached, which indicates that the key is not present in the hash table. Now, let us look at the time complexity of the search operation. In the best case, the search takes O of 1 time. This occurs when the key is located at its original hash index and no collision happens. so the key is found in a single step. In the average case, the search also takes off one time. When the hash table is not heavily loaded and the hash function distributes keys uniformly, only a small number of probes are needed to locate the key, so the average search time remains constant. In the worst case, the search takes off n time. This happens when the hash table is nearly full or when many keys collide at the same index. In such cases, the probing sequence may visit many table positions. And in extreme situations, almost all n slots of the table must be checked before the key is found or the search fails. Quadratic probing example. Let us understand quadratic probing using an example. Assume the hash table size is 7 and the hash function is k is equal to k mod 7. Now we insert the keys one by one. First, insert 76. 76 mod 7 equals 6. So 76 is placed at index 6. Number of probes, 1. Next, insert 40. 40 mod 7 equals 5. So 40 is placed at index 5. Number of probes, 1. Next, insert 48. 48 mod 7 equals 6. But index 6 is already occupied by 76. Now quadratic probing is applied. Try I is equal to 1. Index is equal to 6 plus 1 superscript 2, mod 7 is equal to 0, which is empty. So 48 is placed at index 0. Number of probes, 2. Next, insert 5. 5 mod 7 equals 5. But index 5 is occupied by 40. Try I is equal to 1. Index is equal to 5 plus 1 superscript 2, mod 7 is equal to 6, occupied. Try I is equal to 2. Index is equal to 5 plus 2 superscript 2, mod 7 is equal to 2, empty. So 5 is placed at index 2. Number of probes, 3. Finally, insert 55. 55 mod 7 equals 6. But index 6 is occupied. Try I is equal to 1. Index is equal to 6 plus 1 superscript 2, mod 7 is equal to 0, occupied. Try I is equal to 2. Index is equal to 6 plus 2 superscript 2, mod 7 is equal to 3, empty. So 55 is placed at index 3. Number of probes, 3. This example clearly shows how quadratic probing reduces clustering by spreading elements across the table using squared probe jumps. Implementation summary, quadratic probing. This program implements a hash table using quadratic probing for collision handling. The hash table is initialized with 1 to represent empty slots and 2 to mark deleted positions. The hash function computes the index using the modulo operation. During insertion, if the computed slot is occupied, the program probes new locations using the quadratic formula. Index plus I superscript 2, mod size until an empty or deleted slot is found. If the table becomes full, a message is displayed. This implementation efficiently handles collisions while reducing clustering and maintaining good performance. The search function first computes the hash index of the key. If the slot does not contain the key, quadratic probing is applied using the formula. Index plus I superscript 2, mod size. This process continues until the key is found, an empty slot is reached, or all positions are checked. If the key is found, its index is returned, otherwise, the function returns 1. Delete operation. The delete function first calls the search operation to locate the key. If the key is found, the corresponding position in the hash table is marked as deleted instead of being cleared. This ensures that the probing sequence remains intact for future searches. If the key is not found, an appropriate message is displayed. Display operation. The display function scans the entire hash table. It prints empty for unused slots, deleted for removed elements, and the actual value for occupied positions. This allows the user to clearly observe the current state of the hash table. Main program explanation. The program starts by initializing the hash table using the init function. Then it inserts 4 values, 23, 43, 13, and 27 into the hash table using quadratic probing to handle any collisions. After inserting the elements, the display function is called to show the current contents of the hash table. Next, the program searches for the key 43. If the key is found, it prints the message found 43 at index, showing the position where the key is stored. If the key is not found, it prints key not found. Then the program deletes the key 43 by marking its position as deleted, which keeps the probing sequence intact. Finally, the hash table is displayed again to show the updated state after deletion, and the program ends. First, the values 23, 43, 13, and 27 are inserted into the hash table using quadratic probing. After insertion, the display shows the contents of the hash table. Index 1 contains 13, Index 3 contains 23, Index 5 contains 43, and Index 6 contains 27, while all other positions are empty. Next, the program searches for the key 43. The key is successfully found at Index 5, so the message found 43 at Index 5 is displayed. Then the program deletes the key 43. The slot at Index 5 is marked as deleted, which preserves the probing sequence for future operations. This output demonstrates correct functioning of insertion, searching, display, and deletion using quadratic probing. Conclusion. Quadratic probing is an effective collision resolution technique in hash tables. It reduces clustering compared to linear probing by spreading probe sequences using a quadratic function. It provides fast average case performance for insertion, searching, and deletion when the load factor is kept low and a good hash function is used. Although the worst case time complexity can degrade to O(n) when the table becomes nearly full, proper table sizing and rehashing strategies help maintain efficient performance. Overall, quadratic probing offers a balanced approach between simplicity, space efficiency, and improved collision handling in open addressing hash tables.